You may be in front of your computer or mobile device every day. Your fingers wouldn't stop pressing keys and browsing various social media sites. But what if instead of just randomly searching anything for yourself, you can type and research for other people and learn from it? It only takes a few minutes to start getting paid just by typing simple words online. And as long as you have access to the internet, you are good to go. And the more words you type, the more money goes into your bank account. This hustle will make you $20 in just 2 minutes or up to $600 in just an hour. We know that it seems crazy, but this is not surprising anymore with the many ways to earn money online. All you need is to allocate some time for this, and you can quickly get started and begin making some money. We are going to be talking about a particular website that can help you do this and provide you tips and a strategy that is so simple but will help you make money faster. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. The platform we are going to talk about is Ask Wonder. And through this website, you will earn extra income, reaching up to $600 if you do it right. To start, you need to go to its website, askwonder.com. Once you get there, you will get to know more about the platform. If you go over the website, you will see a lot of services they are offering. But since you are here to earn, you need to click the Apply to Our Network button on the upper right side of your screen, right before the Sign Up button. And from there, you can finally start your journey to earn money using your brain, work when you want, and expand your resume and your knowledge. This company will pay you by typing online, and we'll get to know more about it in a few moments. To start becoming a researcher for them, you have to complete the application. It's very simple, since all you have to do is to put in your name, your email, and your password. You will also have to indicate your country, and don't worry about this because Ask Wonder is accepting anyone from anywhere in the world. Once you are done filling up, you can just click on Start Application. Once you complete this step, you are going to receive an activation email. All you have to do is click this in order to activate your account, so that you will be able to start accessing your account. After activating your account, you will be welcomed to the next page, where you will see different typing projects, as well as other research projects you can take over so that you can start making money. And to know more about this, you need to stick with us until the very end. You don't have to be worried or be intimidated as well because this is very beginner friendly and anyone can do this for free. There are 4 steps to know how this works. First, you need to visit the research dashboard, where you have to be ready in order to start working. In the research dashboard, you will see a variety of projects that will help you make money. After that, you will be assigned to work on a request. This is where you will find different projects that you can get and work on. Next, you will need to find the answers and sources and synthesize your findings. You see, projects on this platform come as questions. You will really need to input something. That is why we are calling it a typing job. But if you are intimidated at the thought of answering questions, you don't have to worry because we have a strategy that we will reveal to you later in the video. So you really need to stick around for that. Now, once you're done making the responses, you are finally ready for the last step, which is to submit your work. Every project you finish will be the basis of the payments you will receive. So the more projects you do, the more money you will earn. To get a more detailed insight into how this works, let me guide you to an example you can refer to. In this discussion, we will also be talking about the strategy we promised earlier, so you better pay attention. Once you are in your research dashboard, you will have to pick a project you want to take on. Now there are many projects here, so just choose the one that you think is very ideal for you to start on. Now if you look into it, this is a very powerful strategy to earn money because you don't need any experience at all. All you need is the power of your mind and, of course, Google. Yes, that is right. Our special strategy involves using Google, so it's definitely an interesting one. Now let's get back to the example. For instance, you choose a project from marketing, and then you click on market size. After that, you will be led to a page where you will see various jobs you can do that are related to this category. But you are free to choose any category you want though, so don't worry. Once you encounter a project you decide you will work on, there will be a bunch of questions that you will have to answer. At this point, you might ask yourself how you will even answer the questions. But don't you worry, because all you have to do is copy the questions and paste them on your Google search bar. In no time, you will get the answers that you need. This, my folks, is the special strategy we're talking about. It is very simple, we know that. But we're telling you this is very effective and will help you a lot on this platform. Once you get the answers, you will have to type the responses according to the format that is needed. You see, for certain projects, there is a format that needs to be followed, which is very important in order to accomplish the task and earn money from it. You are still doing some work, but it is much simpler and will not take a lot of your time and energy. There might be questions that might be difficult, but you just need to be more efficient in researching in order to get the exact responses that are needed. And with this, you just have to repeat the same method over and over until you are finally done with the questions. And just like that, you can earn money in the simplest way possible. Just by typing and utilizing Google, you can make some extra bucks while expanding your knowledge. Both your wallet and your brain are gaining something. And that is an opportunity I am willing to grab any time of the day. So what are you waiting for? Check out this strategy and the websites mentioned earlier right now. And start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you then!